Welcome back to our channel where
always turn time.
Today we have a crazy video in store for you guys. It's a taste test video. It's not your average Pepsi versus Coke taste test. No, it is an edible slime taste test. Kool-Aid versus Jello. Okay guys, so I didn't even know some of this stuff existed. We're gonna try this for the first time and see how it goes. I don't know how edible slime is. Kids, don't eat your regular slime. If it's edible slime, I guess it's all okay. We're gonna find out. We're gonna test it out for you and let you know. So let's get into the video. Which one you wanna do first? You wanna open this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna open the Jello Play Unicorn Slime. It's strawberry flavor. Yum. Here, let me take that off.
I got it.
You got it?
Okay.
All right. Let's see. Let's read the directions, okay?
Okay.
So it says here, fly high on a unicorn, climb aboard and get ready to soar. We're going to see unicorns' power come to life. Want to search for rainbows and other magical creatures? Maybe we'll meet a fairy. Only our imaginations can slow us down when we use slime to play. All right. So hold on, let's see the directions. Unicorn slime stretches if you pull it slowly, but snaps if you pull it apart fast. It's firm if you squeeze it, but it can also drip like a liquid. Sounds delicious. Measure 3 level scoops of slime into a medium bowl. Hold on, Summer. Hold on. Okay.
Can I
Let
put
me.
it?
Of course. Let me get the scooper thingy out. Okay. Here's one.
Okay.
And you want to put it into the bowl.
By
Here, let's
myself.
show everybody.
By myself.
There you go. One. Tap it out. Now another one. Wait, the whole thing. Let me get it for you because it's a little crammed in there. And then you pour it, okay? Here you go. 2. And 3. Okay, so it says pour 1 scoop of warm water into the bowl and stir with spoon for 30 seconds. Okay, so we have one of these. Hold on, Summer, I got it. Okay, you got your... Alright, so we have water here.
Yeah.
Alright, so 1 scoop of water. Okay, now stir for 30 seconds.
3 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
Until all powders go away, right,
Until
guys?
it's dissolved, yeah.
This is so hard, guys. Even harder.
It's getting harder?
Yeah.
Keep going. Do you need help?
Smell, guys.
I can't smell it. I can smell it. Doesn't smell bad.
It smells like strawberry. Right, guys?
Alright, here, let me get on the sides for you, okay?
I got it.
Hold on, let me just get it from here. Let's go. Let's stir it together, okay?
Can I stir it?
Of course. Hold on. Let me just get it from the side. You see it's...
Can I see?
Yeah.
Guys.
Alright. Alright, let me see. Show your hands. Okay, so it's a little tough to manage. And we have to add a little bit more water, okay?
Yeah. Why?
Okay. Some more water. Now stir.
Wow, this is so hard.
Got it? You need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see.
Can I just do it for a little?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me just get the other stuff here. This is what we're working with right now. Kind of feels a little cornstarchy.
Guys, look at my hands.
Show your hands. Jello slime powder. This is interesting.
That's all over the blogger now.
Just got it in my hair. More slime in my hair. No! Silly.
Guys, look at my hands. Jello.
Okay, so this is what...
Can I stir?
Yes, here you go.
Okay.
Alright, so you can stir, and then I think you can start playing with it.
And
then I'm going to prepare this one, and then we're going to taste them, okay? Let's see, what do we got here? Craft City presents Make Your Own Kool-Aid Edible Slime. This looks so interesting.
So, first I'm going... So, Guys, I need to keep on stirring because it's still not making to slime, but it looks like slime. See, guys? But it's silky right now.
Okay, so let's see what comes in here.
Yeah.
We have a little dish.
Bowl, you
And
mean?
we have another little dish.
This is not
Another
dish.
little dish.
Oh,
Ooh, blue raspberry. Or, let's see,
red raspberry.
secret slime mix. That's awesome. Or cherry flavored mix. So you get two flavors. You get blue raspberry and you get cherry.
Mine is almost done.
Then you get the secret slime mix. 2 packs of that. So which flavor do you want to do? You want to do blue raspberry or do you want to do cherry? Cherry? So strawberry and cherry?
I mean this one.
You want to do blue? Okay. All right, so let's see. Ooh, confetti.
I'm gonna use that too.
Okay. Let's see, what's this thing? Gloves. I have another gloves. All right, so how do we do this here? Where are the instructions?
Can I hold this for you?
Of course.
I'm gonna put it on the table for you.
Okay. Okay,
I
instruction
need to
sheet.
keep on stirring. Right, Mom?
Okay.
This is like a heart shape. Oh, I can write my name in here. But this is how I write my name.
Uh-oh.
What?
There's no instruction sheet. Let's see.
Oops.
Gloves.
Can I write
All right, here it is. Here it is. Haha. Okay.
Oh, that's the silly
To
box.
begin, open and pour 1 pouch of 50 grams of secret slime into the mixing cup.
Oh my gosh, you're so sticky, guys.
Okay, secret slime mix into the mixing cup.
Oh my gosh, so sticky.
Yeah?
Do I need to keep on stirring?
No, you can play with it now.
Okay.
It looks like it's ready. Show the camera. Look.
Yeah.
That does not look too convincing of slime.
Oh my gosh.
Does it feel slimy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh gosh.
Okay, so now it says
Oh
open
gosh,
and pour
guys.
1 pouch of either 5-gram
Oh
flavor.
my
into the
gosh,
mixing
guys,
cup.
look at my hands.
Ah.
Here you go.
Hey! Hey!
Look, I can make my footprint.
Okay, so now it says
Oh.
mix the dry ingredients together.
Guys.
Measure
Hello.
2 teaspoons of water
Hey guys, does it like this? Right?
and add to the mixing cup with the dry ingredients.
Look at my hand.
Oh my gosh.
Looks so
Alright.
slimy.
So we're gonna go 1.
Can I put in?
Yep. Here, hurry. Okay. 2.
I don't want to miss this.
You are so sticky.
Oh,
Okay, so we got 2 spoons.
Now, do I mix by myself?
Mix, and we'll start to color and stick together after a few minutes of steady stirring.
can I-
You want to mix?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me
Let me
do
see
it.
this one. All right, so this is what we got from the Jello. Now is where it's gonna get messy. Let's see.
What are you doing? Mom, no.
Okay, it feels
Mom,
a little slimy. It looks a little slimy, but it feels cornstarchy at the
Mom,
same time.
don't mess up your shirt.
I'm not. Don't worry.
I'm gonna put it in your hand.
No!
Yeah.
Slime.
Yeah, Mom, get this off. Don't do that ever again.
Okay. Here.
And then don't do that on the vlog again.
Okay.
That's really bad on the vlog.
Why? It's fun. You put it on me.
Well,
No! Keep mixing.
The Jello. Can you trick me?
Trick you.
Huh?
You just did and you got upset. Ew.
Stop playing on mine.
But you're mixing mine, so keep mixing because you have to mix steady for a few minutes.
Stop playing with mine. Mom, stop playing
All
with
right.
mine.
Okay. All right, keep mixing. Show everybody what you got so far. How's it coming along?
good.
Okay. So let me just wash my hands.
Like mine. And then after I do this one, I'm gonna wash my hands before I get dirty again. Ah! Boom, boom. And look at the little puppy, guys. Wait, Paw Patrol. Wait. We'll get back up again.
Okay.
Good.
How about I take over and let me mix that?
Can I mix for a little while?
Sure.
You can play with mine a little.
I already did. I just washed my hands. Okay, the next step is to pour some of the edible confetti in.
Ew. Edible?
Yeah.
Do I keep on mixing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now it says open and put on the gloves.
Can I put some
Yeah.
on? Oh,
How are you gonna put the gloves on with your dirty hands like that?
just put it on.
Okay.
What?
Wait. Uh-oh. Did I do it wrong? Oh, hold on. Where's the thumb? There's Thumbkin. Okay. Broke it right. Okay, so we have one finger out on that one. Here you go.
Where's Thumbkin?
Okay, it says now pluck, stretch, pull, and eat your slime creation. So now, hold on, let me just get this part, mix it in a little bit. Here's what it looks like with the confetti.
Mom, can I wash my hands?
What, feels gross?
Yeah.
Hold yourself.
Mommy,
Yeah,
can you let me wash my hands?
of course. Okay, so now we both have clean hands,
Yeah.
and we're about to get messy. All right, so you ready? You have to pick it up, and you have to mold it, and stretch it, and pluck it, and eat it.
Okay. I'm gonna do the hands to Mom. Wait, you try mine.
Okay.
And I try
Show the camera.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me see. Let me feel it. Oh, this actually feels like slime. Look,
Can I try one?
that actually feels like slime.
It feels good, actually.
Right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. This is really hard to pick up. You guys see? Let's see.
It feels like burgers? Yeah?
No. Ew. Why would it feel like
But yours does. Look, I can make a burger shape.
This is oddly satisfying, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
All right, now here comes the taste test. Which one do you want to taste first?
This one.
You want to taste that one first?
Yeah.
Good choice. All right. I'm going to take one for the team and taste this. 1, 2, 3. No. No.
Yum.
That's good?
Taste it.
Parents, this tastes like Pepto-Bismol from the 80s. Tastes like Pepto-Bismol that's been sitting there from the 80s. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm going to taste this one and you taste that one, okay?
Okay.
Wait, I shouldn't mix that. Hold on. Put that down. All right, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a bit better. That's not bad. This one's not bad, guys. At all. And look at the texture. Oh, got a little pink in there. Look at this. This actually stretches and feels like slime. This is a great product. This is awesome. This is really fun. Very fun, very sticky. Which one do you like better, Summer?
Here we go.
Which one do you like better? You're still tasting? Which one? Which one? You like the Jello one better? Okay. Well,
that's the end of our vlog.
so if you like this video,
Give us a big thumbs up.
a big slimy thumbs up. And please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.